Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another thunderstorm video. So today we kind of have, or this evening, we kind of have a, let's just say we kind of have a tornado watch on our hands. Yeah, we got a big tornado watch in the Cook County area. If you guys don't have the Weather Channel, download it now. It'll tell you everything, tell you what's coming in the future, tell you what's happening today, what's happened. I feel a really big boom coming. Man, look at that beautiful dark cloud right in front of me on camera. It's right here. And then there's a few right over here that I'll point to. Right there, there's one. But right now, it's just this big cloud right above me, right here. That's about it. It's not really getting too aggressive yet, but it will. It will get really, really aggressive. And I feel it, that it's gonna get pretty aggressive. With how dark these clouds are, let me just show you guys how dark they are. This is how dark these clouds are. They look darker in person. That's just how dark they are right now. But they do look darker in person. There's some light over there, but it's gonna get blocked out by this big cloud eventually. Okay guys, I just heard a lightning strike about, I'd say about 4 miles out. You'll know what a lightning strike will sound like, because it'll sound like a big crash sound. Not like a car crash, but just like a or something like that. It'll sound like something hitting the ground, like a box, or I don't really know how to describe it. It just sounds like electricity hitting the ground, or like electricity blowing up. I mean, if you guys know what that sounds like, you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, this storm's really getting aggressive because the wind's now starting to blow at about 20-25 miles an hour, and by the look at this dark cloud, it's just moving in. And we are under tornado watch, so we have to watch for rotating clouds and also watch if the sky turns green, because if the sky turns green, we're in trouble. If the sky turns green, we are in big trouble, because that means there's a tornado in the area, or that there's a funnel somewhere around here. That means we'll have to go into the house if there is green sky anywhere around the house. It could be on the back side of the house, which I'm really hoping it's not. There's this big cloud over here. It's just moving pretty quickly, but it's not like the dark clouds right in front of me. It's a little pinkish and a little reddish on the inside too. I don't trust that cloud over there, though. The one that's right over here. This one right over here. Right there. In between the trees. Looks kind of green, which I'm really hoping it's not. Hello. Look at this. This is insane. Now, that's a weird cloud right there. That one right over there. Let me zoom in on it. Sorry about that, guys. Look at that cloud right there, though. The one that's right behind that house. It's a really weird cloud. Looks like kind of like a tornado at first, but it wasn't. If it was a tornado, excuse me, is that sky green? That was a strike. That was a strike. A few miles. That was more closer that time. That was definitely a strike that time. That was closer, though. Oh my god, bro. Look at this. This thing is aggressive. Oh my god. Look at these clouds, guys. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm starting to get wet, but I honestly don't care. But look. Just look. Look at that. Oh, that is just insane. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, don't forget to smash that like button, turn that notification bell, subscribe, because I do these thunderstorm videos every time a severe thunderstorm comes into the area, which it is thunderstorm season, so expect to see a lot of these this summer. And we won't have another thunderstorm for like another few weeks, I think they said. But I'm really hoping we get another one within the next month, maybe. But I know we will. We'll get many more thunderstorms throughout the summer. Maybe about 5 more, 6 more. 7 if we're lucky. Because lucky 7. And maybe, if we're lucky enough, maybe we'll get an 8th one. Oh my god, I'm starting to get whacked. Look at these trees. Looks like a dang hurricane coming through. It's actually not that powerful, but I just got whiplashed by rain. We gotta watch out for hail, too. Hail's in the vicinity, too. Bro. Oh, horizontal rain. Horizontal rain. Oh, that's horizontal. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's horizontal rain right there. Oh, I'm backed up against a plant. Oh, horizontal rain. Horizontal rain. Horizontal rain. Oh, no. That is horizontal rain right there. Oh, no, I'm getting whacked. Oh, no, I'm getting whacked. Get behind the pole. Get behind the pole. Get behind the pole. Look at that, though. It's horizontal rain, though. Don't know if you guys can tell, but that is definitely horizontal rain. I just got whiplashed with horizontal rain a few seconds ago. Man, look at those trees over there. Oh, oh, here it comes. It's on top of us now. Alright, I'm gonna do something really stupid. Look at this. Oh man, look at my lens. Hold on, I gotta clean off my lens real quick. Hold on guys, I gotta clean off my lens real quick. Okay, there we go. Man, look at this storm. Holy Jesus. Oh my God. This thing is aggressive. This is a monster. Listen to that. Oh, this is gonna be hail. It's gonna hail. Oh, it's gonna hail. Try and hold on to it. Hang on. Hang on to it. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is really, really aggressive. This is a monster. This is an aggressive storm. Look at the water. That is horizontal rain right there. Look at the road. Horizontal rain. Oh my God, bro. It's literally insane. Look at this. I'll just point it at the road real quick. Look at the road. It's horizontal rain. Look at that. That's insane. I don't even care if my socks are getting wet. This is really cool. Dude, get inside. Like, I just got kissed. Oh my God, it looks like Hurricane Harvey over here. It's gonna hail, bro. Oh my God. Now that's horizontal rain. Don't know if you guys can see it, but it's going this way. It's going this way. Instead of going straight down, it's going diagonal. Almost horizontal. Almost horizontal. Really aggressive storm. Very aggressive. Very, very aggressive. Trees are coming off the branches. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it so much. Come on, where's the thunder? Thunder. Feel the thunder. Boom, boom, boom. Lightning and oh my goodness. Whatever happened to you? That's a drain right there. Look at that. Look at all that water pouring out onto the lawn. Lawn's even getting fed. Okay, it's sort of calming down a little bit, but I really should not jinx it. It could start up again. You can't even hear the thunder. The wind is blowing so hard. Oh, I'm gonna let this go for a long time. As long as I can. No vlog star in this one. Sorry, guys. Probably no vlog star. Unless you guys want 2 separate parts. Oh, there it goes again. Horizontal rain again. I feel like it's gonna start hailing any minute. Bro, look at this. I'm gonna show you guys the trees over here. Look at these guys over here. Oh, my socks just got soaked. Oh my god. Whoa, that's part of... Oh my god. Dude. Oh. Oh. No. There's a branch coming down. Back up. 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 There's going to be a branch coming down. I just heard it. I just heard it snap. I think that's this tree over here. I'm gonna hold myself up against the wall. That was a branch. I just heard a branch. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is a branch over there. That is a big ass branch. I'm sorry for my language. Oh my god. If this tree's gonna go down if it keeps on doing this. I did not expect this. That is really, there's a branch down over here. A big branch. Okay guys, my phone is completely soaked right now. My god. A branch is literally down right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. I zoomed in on it a little bit earlier. But I heard it snap. I did hear it snap. If it gets more aggressive than any of it is right now, I'm going to go inside and I'm going to stay inside. I'm more worried about my room. My room might have water in it. When they said tornado watch, they meant it. Oh, they weren't kidding when they said tornado watch. Oh my god. My god, is that more than one? My socks are just completely done. Look at this. Look at that. That is insane. Oh, I did not expect that branch just to fall that hard. That is a big branch. I'm very happy for Andy's house. That fell. That whole tree. Oh, I see the branch. I see where it fell off. I'll show you guys. Whoa, that was big lightning. Wait for it. See if we'll hear anything. Look at this. Flash flooding right there. Look at all that going down the road. Look at all this going down the road right here. That's flash flooding. And then it's making like this giant loop. That's the neighbors, don't worry. Sorry for the blurriness, guys. It's just so much rain, I can't even show you the puddle. I'm gonna try again. Now look, I don't know if you guys can see it now, but look at this. It's just going down the road and it's making like this big loop around. And then it's coming back this way. And then it's making another big loop over here, and then it's coming back again. So it's just making like this big racetrack U. There's the broken branch right there. Don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. Right there. It's right there where I just pointed. Pretty sure you guys just saw it. Now the leaf is blocking the way. I gotta pull back. I gotta back out. This is very aggressive. Very, very aggressive. This tree is over 60 years old right here, and I can't believe it hasn't even fallen from that much wind. I thought that this was that tree at first. I thought it was going over. That's why I was freaking out, because I thought it was this tree. I thought this tree was going down. This old tree in our yard, I thought it was gonna fall. So that's why I started backing up. Because if it fell this way, the whole house would go in. The whole house would have been caved in. Like this whole wood inside would have been gone if it fell that way. My God, I'm even worried for our power. Because if this lightning is crazy enough, if it wants to, it could strike a transformer. And our transformer, meaning our transformer. If our transformer gets struck, we could lose power for weeks. But luckily we have a generator. But that means still, we'd have to turn off the power at night. We wouldn't leave it running all night. And I wouldn't be able to sleep because I can't sleep without white noise. But we would have lost power for weeks if that happened. Weeks. I mean weeks. Maybe a week or two. I'm backing up again. It's doing horizontal again. It's touching. I hear a siren. Someone might have got hurt or struck by lightning or hit by a branch. I don't know, because of how crazy and how violent this storm is being right now. Honestly, I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. I did not expect a branch to fall, because I'm going to say it again. I absolutely thought that this tree right over here by the trunk was going to rip out of its roots and fall into the road. I actually thought that that was happening, because I heard it snap, and it sounded like it was right here, but it was over here. I know it picked up on camera, because I heard the crack. And the branch is somewhere. Oh yeah, I see the broken branch. That's a big branch. If it's still there tomorrow, we'll walk out towards it. But it probably won't be. They probably will call the wood chipper company to come get it. I'm worried. I'm honestly I'm not terrified, but I'm worried about the sake of people's lives. Because I saw a few people walking before the horizontal rain started, a few minutes before. And I really hope they got home on time. Because they were walking this way. Oh my God. I think it's moving off. It looks like it's starting to move off slowly, because we're starting to get a lot of light coming in now. Nope, I was wrong. Don't jinx it. There it goes again. But I mean, there's a drain clog right over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. No, you guys can't. I'll zoom in on it. Right over there by the sidewalk, there's a drain clog. Look at all that water right there. It's brown. Brownish water. It looks kind of red almost. There's a drain right there behind that tree, and it's completely backed up. And all these cars are just moving through it like it's nothing. Sorry about that. Ooh. I'm sorry I didn't get that car shot, but I only got like a tree shot, but I'm sorry about that. But shots are shots. But I feel like I think the sun's starting to pop back out again. I think it's done. It may or may not be done. I'm not sure. There's Dave over there, our neighbor, walking out onto the driveway. Yeah, it's calm. It's calming down. But I'm not taking the risk of stepping out to go check on the branch over there. Now I think you guys can see it better. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm not using Vlogstar in this. Sorry guys, I thought I was going to be able to, but I'm not going to be able to, because the video's already 20 minutes in. I'm not going to cut any of it out. I've already cut it and edited while filming. You guys know I do that. I can't break it down. I wish I could. Yeah, I'm completely drenched. Now, I think I'm gonna do an aftermath video later tonight because the rain's supposed to stop in a bit. It's about to be. It's not even over yet. It may go for another hour. This may just be a break. But if it does, I'll come back out and I'll be prepared this time. Because look, I'll show you guys. My socks are completely filled with water. And I'm going to take them off before I go inside. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that. Yep, there it goes. It's fading off. Ooh, why? Why would you whack me, Flag? My God, though. Look at the damage it left. Look at all the leaves on the ground and everything. Look at this. Look at all this destruction. All this debris. I'm surprised it didn't take this tree down. It only took this one down. I was actually very terrified and very scared that this tree was going to go down. And I thought it was going to go down onto the lawn and literally destroy our baby tree over here. But if it did that, it would have hit right here, and then that might have caved in. That would have been bad. Alright, I think it's done. Yeah, it's just drizzling now. And these are just the drains. It's barely raining now. It's just sprinkling now. It's over. It's gone. Done. But look at all this. I'm worried. There might be a branch down. A big tree trunk down on one of these roads, especially Cedar. Cedar where the park is. There might be a tree in the road. Because of how much damage this thing left. Probably it left a bunch of damage. Of all the damage it did over here, imagine all the other roads it could have done damage to. Oh no. Oh no. My roof. Oh, no. Did it? Did it get water in here? Oh my goodness. Did it? Bro, my pillow's soaked. My pillow is soaked. My floor. My floor is not wet, but my moon pillow is completely soaked. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look. This thing did massive damage. Oh, I didn't expect it to be that aggressive. I haven't seen a storm that aggressive in 2 years. Almost about 2 years, a year and a half, I haven't seen a storm that aggressive. Looks like there's another branch down behind the house over here. I'm checking our neighbor's yard over here too. Oh yeah, it's done. I see blue. It's gonna be done here in a little bit, but that was an insane storm. I'm very glad I caught that. It's gonna gain me probably... I'm not gonna jinx that it's gonna gain me a lot of views, but I know it's gonna get popular. May gain like over 30 views, maybe higher, I'm not sure. Are these things creating bubbles? Like, it looks like almost... Ow! I think I got a rope burn or something on my pinky. Zoom in on that. Yeah, there's bubbles over there. I mean, it's not... It was just creating bubbles, but it stopped. Now it's just ripples. Okay, if it starts up again, I'm just going to close this because I'm actually scared now. when I say most of the time I'm actually not scared of a thunderstorm, this one I'm actually scared of, because if it starts up again, I'm not gonna let it get into my room. So let's just close this. Oh my goodness. Look at my window. Gave my window a bath. My window's all fogged up. Oh, I hear sirens. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, and if you guys want more videos like this in the future, smash the like button, turn that notification bell, subscribe. There's a lot of cars coming down the road. Honestly, there might be a branch down on Ashland. But we'll go check that out tomorrow if there is. Anyway, because there's going to be a vlog. I'm going to make another vlog tomorrow of the aftermath if there's anything. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, smash the like button, turn the notification bell, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one later. Love you all. Peace and bye. Bye, guys.